done me well. She done me. Now out in the middle of the road. Andrea, what did we get? Plasters. How do you feel right now, Andrea? Happy. Oh, I wasn't filming. Lovely, jubbly. Morning, everybody. Oh my word, look at that tan on my face. It's terrible. But yous are joining me from the car. I feel like I'm always in the car. So I'm stopping at the shop as I need to get some blueberries and strawberries as I'm doing a New York themed breakfast style thing for Kirsty for her birthday. And I need to get some fruit as I asked my mother to get it yesterday but she didn't, so I'll have to go and get it this morning and go home, quick turnaround, get everything ready and leave and go to Kirsty's. And then today I'm getting my job, my second one, so I really hope, like Hannah says her second one wasn't as bad as her first one, so I'm really hoping mine isn't bad. But I will catch you whenever I'm making my for her, the little cards for New York cards. I'm going to do little coffees. Let's flick on the kettle. I'm in such a rush. And I'm going to make me bowls. Let me show you the they look like. They're sat in the car. So Kirsty's got coffee and then one with mango and passion fruit and bananas, strawberries, blueberries and granola. And then I've got the same, but I've got a wee peppermint tea. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. That's like such a nice picture of us as well. Yeah, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. That's beautiful. It's nice, isn't it? It actually is. It's just so nice.
I want to see that one.
It's me and Emma.
Oh.
Isn't that nice?
What was?
That was at Emma's birthday.
I don't. Oh. Let me see that one.
This one?
Yeah. What's that?
That's me and Emma.
Your hair done?
Yeah. It's our hair done, yeah. Can you guess who's who?
Yeah. That's you.
Who's that?
You.
And who's that?
Emma.
Finished at Kirsty's and now it's time to drop off my car. Time to say goodbye to the A. Time to say goodbye to the TT. Goodbye. Let's have a wee look at her before she goes. She done me well. She done me well, boys. Goodbye. Bye bye. Cars away. Now we're carless. How do you feel? Sad. Sad. I feel funny. It hasn't hit me yet. I don't think anything will hit me until like they're on the way. Yeah. And then I'll just cry.
I know not what your grandma felt like when I went to America.
Sad.
No mobile phones to keep in touch.
No mobile phones. I'm in the mess of the room, but I've been packing all day. Well, not all day, just for the past hour. I've been packing for the past hour, and I've got myself all my gym clothes, my embassy outfit, and my Wednesday my Wednesday outfit, and I just need to get whatever I'm flying in and a Thursday outfit. Morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. It's going to say Wednesday. Tuesday, and we're at the airport, ready to go to London. Just through security, Andrea wants a Starbucks this morning, and we're ahead of schedule. I thought we would have been late because Mommy made me panic. But yeah, we'll see you when I hit the other side. Arrived in London and we're in this really, like, I feel posh. coming in. Like the bathroom has, I don't know if you can hear it, but classical music playing. Oh, I feel posh. Are we used to? Am I now living the high life, Andrea? We're gonna go find the train and then hopefully arrive at the hotel and then get changed into something less baggy. Yeah, thermal. Because I have sweats on at the minute, but I can take them off. I have shorts on underneath.
The next station is Osterley. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I have to change my room prep and it's far too warm outside, but I feel like I'm wearing nothing. But I have these wee leggings on. My booty ones in the meantime. Now we're gonna go get lunch. We made it to Joe and the Juice. We're gonna have our lunch. I got a vegan bowl with chicken in it. Andrea, what did you get?
I got an acai bowl.
And what do you think of London so far?
It's what a day.
Roasting.
Sun cream all over your neck.
Sun cream factor 30 is out today. It is so warm. We're roasted. We're like two boiling potatoes in the oven inside as it was too warm. And it's better inside in here. So warm. Oh my god, my chest is so red already.
It's not sunburn.
Salad and I'm doing mix that all together so you don't even get to see what it looks like beforehand. It's so good. Dumpling! Okay, the smallest room ever. Andrew and I share bed offs and no windows. But nice little bathroom. And me. Andrea and I have just got ourselves changed at the hotel. We went to have a wee look to see where the embassy is for tomorrow and we found it. It seems quite easy to go in, but I don't want to go fully in because just in case we get asked questions, so I'll wait for that for tomorrow. And we got ourselves changed just as something a bit more casual because not too casual, but like for dinner. What is Andrea wearing?
Well, I
Isn't it
mean,
OOTD?
I didn't bring like a nice outfit for tonight, so I had to borrow Emma's top from earlier, and then I threw on this jacket because I was like, it's not that nice. But now I got the jacket on to make it look nicer, but it's bloody boiling.
And where did you get the jacket from, Andrea?
I got it from Zara.
Yeah.
Point.
I'm just wearing the wee outfit that I wore the last time I was with Joel. Just because I was going to wear the top Andrea was wearing, but then she bought this really ugly thing, so I gave her that top. And then I threw on a pair of jeans, but I kind of regretting the jeans because it is roasting, but it might get cooler if we're sitting by the riverside. So we're going to find where to go to dinner. I don't have a clue.
Apparently Emma is too classy for spoons.
Well, I just don't fancy going to spoons, but we can always do spoons for lunch one day. On Thursday. But we'll see where we're going. There was like really nice rooftop places. I kind of want to try one of them, but we'll see. I might have to cross over to go more at the water side, but we'll see whenever we find somewhere to eat. Ordered our dinner and we are waiting for it to arrive. It's singing again. I don't know what we're going to do now after. I think we'll either go for a walk around or we're going to go to bed. We're tired and I have to get up so early tomorrow morning. I think I'm getting up at either 7 o'clock or 6:30. The same time as this morning. Dinner has arrived. There's juicy runny chicken duck. And then my wee platter of everything. Yum. It's amazing. Andrea getting her photos for the boy. Walking around which we think is Buckingham Palace. Well, there's Buckingham Palace shops. And we passed a Harry Potter shop. Ron Weasley. Oh my god, look, the fences. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Also seen other people vlogging and it was quite cool. But mine looked like silly because mine's on my phone. She had this big fancy camera. I was like, the wannabe. Imagine we bumped into the Queen. Hello.
I'm just going to Sainsbury's to get my protein shake.
Sainsbury's does protein shakes, like actual shakes. There's one called Pure Protein, one called Berry Bass.
Wow, there's content.
Content. People with guns. Andrea gonna get shot.
Yo, Queenie, are you home?
Andrea, they're coming for you. What have you done? Jamming it out in the middle of the road.
We also have 3 juicy blisters between us due to our hike we did. We're back in the room with really bad Wi-Fi, got some water, gonna watch Love Island and have an early night, hopefully. I shall. What did I think of today? I thought it was really good apart from my dying feet. But other than that, it was really good. Good food. Good shopping. Spent too much money. Yeah. What do you think of today?
I thought it was cool that we actually saw Buckingham Palace.
Ooh. Ooh.
Like we saw the Queen, we waved to her.
She waved back.
Yeah. She told us they were her favourite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get excited.
But I don't care about the angle. Next day, and I've done my business this morning. Everything is done, and I have collected Andrea. I have came back to the room. We both got ourselves changed. Well, I've got myself changed. Andrea finally got dressed for the day, and we're gonna go and get breakfast / lunch. So brunch. So this, what I'm wearing today, just a wee top, skirt, and then trainers for walking in. And then Andrea is wearing little shoes and a wee dress.
I'm like a little Espanol.
Now get up and show me a little walkie talk. We're gonna go get lunch.
Yeah.
We arrived out for lunch. We're sitting outside. I got my still water, and Andrea got a coffee. And she didn't see the hot drink menu on the menu.
I'm not complaining though, I need it.
Yeah, I probably won't have one today. But we've ordered salads for our lunch because it is roasting. And then I've added chicken onto mine because let's get the protein gain. What did you get? Did you get the salmon?
No, I got chicken.
Oh. It's okay. I'm just gonna get that. This is the place that we're at. I don't know if you can see. There's Andrea on her phone. And there we go. Sunny it is. It's so nice. It is so warm. I kind of wish that we got a little bit more in the shade, but it's me. I'm just getting a gram picture. If she wants a gram picture, she has to do them closer together.
I was just saying. Giving people updates on my food for this trip.
How did you find it?
I really enjoyed it.
Andrea had a weird slimy bit in hers.
Oh, it was anchovies.
It's
A
hairy.
weird slimy bit. Scary. What's it gonna do? Bite you?
But we're gonna go and maybe get like a train into town And then,
I mean, we're in town, but it's just town's very big.
yeah. And I need to get like sandals or something because I got a blister on the back of my shoe. I mean, I could potentially just deal with it.
But I mean, that'd ruin your day.
Yeah, I suppose. Do you know what it is? There's like blisters at the back of my foot, but then there's also like my toes. It's my toes.
Probably because you like
Underneath.
It didn't help because you probably started leaning on the front of your feet to get weight off the back, and then you've hurt the front.
Maybe.
Opening doors.
New shoes, new sandals for my feet. And you get plasters to save our feet. Yeah. What did we get? Plasters.
Oh, I wasn't filming. So at Junkers Golf, Emma's not filming because her phone's dead. Emma's gonna win. Right now, I'm one behind.
We're gonna get drinks after this course.
Oh yeah, cool. I feel on Emma's behalf. Oh shit. Whee! How do you feel about that, Emma? Emma's being rude. She won by 2. Woo! I'm not winner. We ordered 2 more drinks and then we're gonna get the underground. For dinner, we ordered the corn in the USA. The corn in the USA. Yeah.
I'll show you something over there, right? This is after it's already pre-drank for. With all the big inside. Wow! I didn't know it looked like that. That's not very TikTok. I know it tastes that.
So these are the cocktails. Woo! Little flag. Done. This is what's in them. Looks just like the picture.
Waiting on our food.
We're not waiting on our food.
25 minutes are late before our table. And then we will walk across.
It's
and
right
like-
behind us, so we're not that far away.
Yes. We're going to have a good few wee cocktails tonight.
And lots of food. Emma and I, she wants to drink, I want to eat.
Yes.
Yes.
We will check in once we've reached our table and we have our drinks in our hands and we will give you a wee
Cheers.
cheers, cheers, cheers. London 2.0.
Yeah. Got wings, barbecue sauce, garlic mayo, garlic mushrooms, Portishead martini, pina coladas, and a happy Emma.
Yeah.
She'll catch into you later after the food. Say goodbye.
Left over hotel and left our bags with the man because our flight isn't until like 5, so we're collecting them again at what time? 2. But now we're just gonna go get lunch. I'm just waiting that Andrea to finish her text messages because we had no signal or Wi-Fi in the hotel. What do you fancy for food, Andrea?
Something light.
Yeah, I think so too. Maybe like a wee cafe or something. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a bit cooler today, but I don't know if that's because it's still like morning.
Oh
But I'm
yeah.
kind of like, I want it to stay quite cool today.
Yeah. But it's only 10:30. Like yesterday at 10:30 it was like this.
Oh no.
So, and Andrea's got a big thick
It's not
trousers
thick.
on. And
They're not.
well, jeans.
It's because
I
they're the
like
biggest
wee
thing in
mini-
my case, so then to help me not have, like, develop more room within my case, I
Yeah.
wear all my clothes.
I was wanting to go to Disney store, but it's like an hour and a half walk away, and I don't fancy that. Because I kind of need to stay nearby, I think. Just like we have about 3 hours or so. But have another wee look around. And I don't know if Andrea wanted to find the Vendy store if she found one, because she wants rings. Did you find one? We're just going to stop at a wee cafe. We want something light, because we ate a lot last night. Andrea ate a lot last night.
It's a lot of heat.
Huh?
It's a lot of heat.
Not really. You were hungry and we only had like 2 meals. So
I know.
I think it was the alcohol just like filled you up.
Yeah.
So until the M&M store.
Which one are you under?
How do you feel right now, Andrea? Happy! You can fill up all your M&Ms. Oh my god. All these flavors. They're the big ones too. Andrea's just like, oh my god, I'm in heaven. This is the highlight of my trip.
I'm like blue.
You're not allowed to eat it.
Let me see what colour you have. You still hungry? Yeah. You know, it could be the clothes.
That's what it says.
Okay, Emma's gonna see. I had to jump on it. What color's Emma? Ooh.
I'm feeling very serious about my chocolates
Because you're not gonna let me eat any. That's why you're not allowed to let me have any chocolates. How rude.
Hello everyone. I am back home now. We arrived home yesterday. Last night we had this new pilot and he was like this is my first ever flight, and this landing and takeoff was so bumpy. It was crazy, but we all like jumped out of our seats at the end of the flight. It was so funny. But the person beside me, the man, was like pure freaking out the whole trip, and it was making me go, oh my word, what's happening? And then Andrea started freaking out whenever she heard that it was the man's first time. So it was a very eventful flight. And then we got home and watched Love Island, just went to bed. Oh, Mother's coming out to enjoy the sun. Today I'm just chilling and sorting everything out, studying, but right now I'm just going to relax during the sun. And tomorrow's the party day with everyone, the surprise that everyone has for me, so that will be fun. But not really going to do anything today apart from just chill out and relax, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, it is Saturday and I am so tired. My brain just feels like mush. But I'm meeting up with Hannah and we're going to go for a walk around Castle Rock, and then going to come back, get my lunch probably, and then it'll be time to get ready for my surprise party that Andrea has kindly decided to do for me. And I'm so excited. It's just going to be everyone that I love and want to be there in whenever I come back. So yeah, the only person that's not going to be there is Joel, and I am so raging that he got his dates mixed up and he thought it was August. But I'm so sad I can't make it. But what you gonna do? I'll see him next week. But yeah, I'm waiting on Hannah to arrive because I don't have a car. Hey, so had my lunch, I've met Hannah and I'm getting ready. I still need to brush out my curls, finish off my face and puff up my hair a wee bit, and then I'm ready. And I've got some vodka in my drink. What do you think? Lovely. Thank you. Arrived at the villa. We got Hannah here, and Jessica, and Kirsty, and of course, and we've ordered our drinks. First sip, raspberry mojito. Ooh, that's lovely. Really cute. So cute. Thanks, Kirsty.
Black caramel. My own about. This is vodka Sprite. And the Bacardi and Jack Coke, yeah. And the Glamour.
Yes, please.
Could I
Thank
have a
you.
straw, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much.
Was that Hannah got a same as me? We got the halloumi pasta and I got a side of lovely jobblies to eat near me. Oysters. Oysters? Please is the last.
I said that earlier, might have called it beef food.